In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build your own attendance tracker in Google Sheets from scratch so you can stay organized and save time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. First, open your Google Sheet and create a simple layout. In the first row, add headers like name, followed by dates across the top for each day you want to track. Now, in the first column, enter the names of your students, team members, or participants. Make sure each name is in its own row so everything stays clean and easy to manage. Next, start marking attendance by typing short codes like P for present, A for absent, or L for late under each date. This keeps your tracker quick to update and easy to scan. If you want to make things more organized, you can apply conditional formatting. Select your attendance cells, go to Format, then Conditional Formatting, and assign colors like green for present and red for absent. This gives you a visual overview instantly. You can also add a summary column at the end to count attendance. Use a simple formula like COUNTIF to calculate how many times someone was present. This helps you track totals without manual counting. Here's what's happening. You're creating a structured table where rows represent people and columns represent dates, making attendance tracking simple and repeatable. And that's it. A fully customizable attendance tracker you can use for classes, teams, or any group. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.